Hello FYP-academy viewers. When blue page is due to graphic cards, after you could enter into your Windows by pressing F8 and then safe mode, and then you disabled your graphic card, or anyway you could enter into your Windows. The first step must be to recognize your driver and its version, and you must not to again choose a driver that is your current driver. I mean, here you need to go to your driver name through display adapters, then go to driver, then it is version 2015, September 2015. So for AMD Radeon HD 5450 graphic adapter, again you should not use this one. You must find another version. Sometimes you need also to change your RAM at the same time, because these are concurrent errors that are both due to RAM problem and VGA adapter driver. So after you change your RAM, you need also to use another driver if you do not like to change your Windows. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye.